So we are currently standing outside the Sign Forest
In Watson,
in
Yukon.
in Watson Lake, Yukon, yeah. And this place has like 100,000 signs.
That people just put up as they come through visiting. They're from all over the world. Apparently it started, I can't remember the exact date, it was back in the 1940s. One of the guys that was in the army, I think, that was working on the original Atlan Highway, he was lonely and felt homesick, so he put up a sign with his hometown on it, and then it just caught and everybody started adding signs, and it's been going ever since. And this place is crazy. Like, it's a whole maze in there. It's amazing.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. It is so cool. We're gonna wander through, take a few pictures, and a little bit of video. So anyway, enjoy. This place is so amazing. It just goes on forever. Oh, look at them all. It just goes everywhere in here. There's got to be stuff from all over the world, I'm sure of it. I have no idea. Wow, just massive. Putting up a sign?
Yeah.
Excellent. It's getting hard to find around here, I guess, hey?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. Not often you get to see something like that. Where are you from?
Oregon.
Oregon. Wow, that's quite a drive for you. Excellent.
Right on a tree.
Right on a tree. Beautiful.
Where are you from?
We're from Kelowna, British Columbia.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, dare I ask where you got the sign from?
My last name's Byer.
Oh, okay.
And my boys came home with it one night. Been at my place for 20 years.
Wonderful, wonderful. Crazy that guy came all the way from Oregon just to put up a sign here. That's awesome. And some people actually just bring their own little piece of wood and they just put their name on it. That's so wild. And if I had known, I'd brought something from home. Visalia. 30,000 people. I don't know where that is. That guy came all the way from Oregon just to put up a sign here.
Cool.
Vancouver, BC Expo, 86. That one's cool. I know that place. I think I found the Nanaimo city limits. We did live there, you bet. That was crazy. This place was crazy.
It's so cool. I'm so upset that we didn't
Bring a sign? We need to bring a sign. Maybe we'll go make a sign. We'll stick it on a tree somewhere with a piece of paper. Saw somebody else do that a few times. Well, I didn't have a sign to put up, so I thought I had to leave a little bit of a mark anyway. So that's our little piece right there. All right, we're out of here. Anyway, I guess we're gonna go and check out some other stuff. So until next time, we will see you soon.